How can you change your chat or message color from green to blue? How can you fix the problem called your iPhone or your iMessage message are showing in green color? Firstly, we just need to understand one thing, that whenever you will send a message from your iMessage like this, if this is my iMessage and this is my contact, so we just need to understand that if the other contact is using iPhone, then only the color will be changed. Otherwise, if they are using any other format of phone, like if they're using, this contact is using Android phone, so it will show always green text in my phone, because they don't have iPhone and the message will not be delivered to them in iMessage or I anything. The message will be delivered to their own default mobile messaging application that not support the internet connection, or that also not support this delivered or seen type of things. So this is the thing we just need to understand, that the green tick only will be changed when you're talking with an iPhone or when you are sending a message to the person who has iPhone, so that the color will be blue. So now what the second step is, the second step is to text someone who is having iPhone, then your chat color will be blue, not green. So these are the small things we just need to understand. We cannot change the color. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with the next and the best video with all of you. Keep watching, keep loving. If you have any question, any query, or any confusion about any topic, so just drop it into the comment section. We will make a separate video on that topic soon.